Hey everyone, welcome to Tea Time with Bev. Alright, so for today I just want to go ahead and show you how I make my Amla face mask. Now for those of you who don't know, not only can you use Amla powder for your hair, your skin, but it's also great for your overall health and you can consume it. I found this organic Amla powder on Amazon and I love this. I did try it in a smoothie. I'm not a big fan of the taste, so I'm just using it just for my hair and my skin, and it's been working really well. Now this recipe is very simple. All you need is some amla powder and honey, and that is it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to make it. Hey everyone, so I'm just going to show you how to make the Amla powder face mask. All you would need is some Amla powder. I got this brand at Amazon and it's organic Amla powder. You can even eat this, add it to your smoothies. I also have honey that I'm going to add to the Amla powder. So just these two ingredients are all you need for this face mask. I also have some hot water right here and a small bowl with a spoon, plastic bowl and a spoon, and that's all that I'm gonna go ahead and use. So I'm gonna go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon. Now this much is good. And some honey. Some honey. I'm gonna mix. And add a little bit of the hot water at a time, just a little bit at a time. You want the consistency to be that of yogurt. And this is the perfect consistency to have. It's like, see? It's still nice and thick. You don't want it to be runny, because if it's runny, it's just going to be running off your face. You don't want it that way. So this is the perfect consistency. Like that. Okay? And this is how you make the Amla face mask. Now I've already gone ahead and washed my face. I use this soy face cleanser by Fresh. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how I apply the mixture. Now as you can see, this is the consistency of it. It's very thick, and that's how I personally like it, because I don't want it running down my face. So I've already washed my hands. My face is clean. And I just apply it like so. Now just a warning, when you apply this face mask, don't go outside for the sake of the children. that is it. So I'm gonna leave this to dry, and you can keep it on your face for up to like 20 to 30 minutes. I usually leave it on till it's dry completely, then I'll wash it off. So I'm gonna go wait for it to dry, and then when it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off with some warm water, and then I'll be back. Hey everyone, so the mask has completely dried, and how you know it is dry is when you touch your face, and as you see, it's totally dry. There's nothing on my hand. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off, and I'll be back. Hey everyone, so I've gone ahead and washed all the Amla powder mask for my face, and this is the results. I already went ahead and applied my witch hazel, and this brand is by Tears. And for moisturizer, I use my Pond's, and it's for like dry skin. But I have more of a combination skin, but I still use this brand, and it works well for me. So that sums it up. That is what I do, and I do this face mask once a week. Once a week I do it, and I always apply it to my neck as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give this Amla face mask a try, and if you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.